Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about Lead Lightning and why I feel this is a great tool for pretty much all marketers. All right. So, as you guys may or may not know, Lead Lightning is an email list building tool basically that allows you to build the all important email list. And as marketers, we all know that it's essential to have an email list, because the fortune is in the follow up. So with your email list, you're able to follow up with your prospects, you know, to potentially over time gain a sale and gain their trust when it comes to your business. So what Lead Lightning does, it allows you to not only build your list, but also follow up with your list on the back end. Because Lead Lightning does come with a 7-day follow-up series that allows you to basically promote Lead Lightning and your opportunity, or if you want to just promote your opportunity, you can do that as well on the back end. I'll get into that in a little while. But with Lead Lightning, you also earn commission. You earn $6 commissions off a $7 sale. Okay, so the system to get access to it is a $7 payment one time, and you're able to earn $6 payments. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but over time, as long as you are consistent with the opportunity, you promote it, you can potentially earn, a nice little side income with the opportunity, as long as you're consistent. Okay. One of the main things that I like about Lead Lightning is that it gives you pretty much everything you need to succeed right out the gate. Okay. So you're able to access the system, getting started in 3 simple steps. And these are basically the simple steps that you have to take. You join the group, choose your link. You have, options here. You have your links here below, and you advertise your links. Now, as I said, you're able to promote your business on the back end. You'll be able to do that right here. So you see, this would be my link here for my opportunity, and you can test the link to make sure that it works. And then what happens again is that when someone joins your list, you're able to have that prospect, be followed up with, like I said, with a 7-day email series. So here's your links that you could use. You also have an optional upgrade here, which I'm not going to go over because I'm not um I'm not entirely familiar with that aspect of the business, but I know this is a great optional tool that you can use to upgrade not only your Lead Lightning system, but pretty much any business that you promote because you're able to do a lot of different things with the optional upgrade. So you have 2 links here. You have your Lead Lightning, your general link, which looks something like this. Click on that for 1 second. Okay, so this is your primary link, and it also tells you here you can't post this link directly on social media. It will be flagged, and it definitely will. So you more than likely you're gonna have to get a domain name, which they tell you here, buy a domain name and then forward it to your link. You can post your link on a blog and then share that blog post on social media, or you can, do the optional upgrade. So another great thing, they give you a breakdown of what happens with the follow-up series. So web visitors who opt into the link at the bottom will receive emails from you sent by us. Unnumbered emails 1, 3, and 5 will promote your system here. Even numbered emails 2, 4, and 6 will promote your main outside website. All right. So pretty much you're gonna have 3 emails sent out for Lead Lightning. You're gonna have 3 emails sent out for your primary business, which in case will be right here at the bottom. And it also gives you a free tool, as I said, that you can promote as well. It's called the free lead system, and it's completely free. It's an optional tool that your prospects can use to not only build their list as well, but to give away for free. And in turn, that could potentially lead to them joining the Lead Lightning because with the free lead system, and it is a great feature, but with the free lead system, you do have to pass up, you know, every other lead, if I'm not mistaken, that you make from that. All right. So at the end of the day, Lead Lightning gives you the tools that you need to help you build your email list. It gives you the scripts that you can use as well, which I will go into more detail here. Hold on. Gives you the scripts that you need. It gives you text that you can use as well to promote the system. Just give me 1 second, guys. I need to check on one more thing really quick. Okay, it's just not what I'm looking for. Hold on. I'm trying to find the training here really quick. Leads. You can access your leads here. You can access your information, your money, the sales that you made, and you can also close your account as well. You can ask for help here, and you can upgrade here as well. Now I'm trying to find the scripts I can show you guys. Okay, that's the main page. Okay, so I guess everything will be under the training. Okay, hold on. So it has been a while since I've actually done a video on lead lightning. It's been, I want to say it's been about a year plus since I've done a video on lead lightning, and the reason being is because I have dived into other opportunities, as you guys can tell by my videos. But even so, I still consider lead lightning to be one of those tools that literally any marketer can benefit from, especially if you're a newbie who's not familiar with the email list, who's not familiar with how to build an email list, and someone who wants to use this as a platform to do just that, and also to earn $6 payments that can add up over time. So I'm trying to find the training, and I can't find the scripts that are here. I guess I'll have to cover that in another video. That's fine. But the general premise of this video, guys, was to in fact show you how a tool like Lead Lightning can benefit you in terms of building your list, in terms of getting eyes on your primary business, and in terms of a starter business, basically, where you can use this as a starter business, earn extra income to build up until till your next project or your next opportunity. At the end of the day, Lead Lightning is one of the very first businesses that I used to get started with back in 2017 when I first joined an online opportunity. This was my very first one. Um, I love the opportunity. I still have people who promote it. I still, have I've seen someone who's still promoting this opportunity is still doing very well with it. So it can work for anyone who's willing to do the work behind it, as with any other opportunity. So if you want more information on Lead Lightning, or you want to get started with it, the link will be in the description. And you can also leave a comment, and I'll be able to answer your questions in more detail there as well. But for now, guys, hope you have a great day. Enjoy your Tuesday, and just remember that this is an opportunity that can benefit you immensely, where you pay a one-time fee of $7. You get access to the system. You get access to the free lead system as well, something you can give away for free. And you also have the option to upgrade here, so that way you can unlock additional features as well with a different system. So again, guys, enjoy your day. Have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them. But for now, have a good one, and I will catch you on the next video.